So we have this Amana furnace. It was giving me a code for a bad pressure switch. This is the bad pressure switch. I already replaced it with this new one. Right now it's running fine with no error codes or something like that. It's very easy to replace. It has 4 wires to go into this side and 2 other ones go into this side. Let's go into this port here, which is on this one. As you can see right now, the furnace is running properly. Codes showing on the board. Just make sure you don't wire these pressure switches incorrectly. As you can see, the common is going to here, the other common is going to here, and those 2 other ports are going to this side. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to follow us for more videos like this.